Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can copy your contacts from your SIM card to the phone. So to get started, let's open up our standalone contacts application, which will be under the Google folder right over here. Now you'll most likely see a bunch of contacts right here. If you are logged into a Google account, you will see it right over here. And if you tap on it, you can also swap between, so if you have multiple accounts. But anyway, we're interested in the option right here. The account option will come in play later on. So anyway, let's select Fix and Manage. And in here, you can select Import from SIM. This will display all the contacts that are located on your SIM card. As you can see, almost all of them are deselected for me because they already exist on the Google account. But you can see there is a drop-down menu and you can drop it down and, for instance, select something like the device, which on the device I have no contacts saved. So if I choose that, it will automatically allow me to choose all of them. Obviously, I can deselect ones that I don't want, and from there, select Import. And gonna keep off, there we go. And once you import your contacts, if you go back here, you'll be able to either see them right away or you will need to swap between. So you can see now there's an option called Device. And in here, you can see all the contacts that are imported strictly to the device itself. And you can have two different contacts lists, so one on your Google account and one on your device. Or obviously you could have imported all those contacts to your Google account if you wanted to. Or additionally, if you're not logged into a Google account at all, then most likely all of them are on your device anyway. So you can choose whichever option you want, which one works for you better. But that is how you'd import your contacts. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.